No, I like to do it. Wow, this looks like a showstopper. Come on. Hey, don't push me down. Inside the museum.
This is National Museum of Korea. We came here for the Egypt exhibition. I heard that there is an exhibition about Egypt, so we came here with the kids. And then this place is in Yongsan, so you can even see the Seoul Tower around here. Seoul Tower is also in Yongsan, and then it's not very far from here. So you can come to the museum first, and then late at night you can also visit the Seoul Tower from here.
We came here before with grandma. We came here, she was wearing her Nigerian clothes. When grandma came from Nigeria, we were here then. What is this one?
Explain about this tower. This tower wasn't here before. It was very far from here, 6 kilometers from here. But I think they moved from the tower to here.
This tower, they moved from where to here?
From 경기도, I think 강화도랑 강화도, 6 kilometers from here.
They moved this tower. But this tower was here. Was it not here 4 years ago when we came here? I think we came here 4 years ago.
This tower is very old. It was built about 700 years ago.
700?
Yes,
700 years ago.
700 years ago. Let's go and see. So they want something, okay, I want this, and they just pick it. They made it really kind of decorated design, really. You know?
So that is it. It was transferred from Japan to Korea in 1918. First of all, it was transferred to Japan in 1907, but returned to Korea in 1918. That is it. That is the information about this 10-story stone pagoda. Let's go up. Let's go up. Which way? Which way?
Let's go this side.
Oh, you come. Let's go up. This place is very big and beautiful. You can see it's a museum, and the structure here is wonderful. Very, very wonderful structure that was made here. The building is very beautiful and amazing. Where is this one? Indian and Southeast Asia. The other one was China. And the one before that was Japan.
This is India. And the Indian people.
How Indians greet people? How do you say?
I know that.
You know, YouTube have a lot of fans in India. You should know that. You have a lot of fans from India. In YouTube. This is for this image of Samarkand, which was a popular icon in South India. It's like what? King? I don't know. This place is Cambodia. We've been to this place in Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Yeah, we were there. That was 8 years ago. We went to Cambodia, Angkor Wat. I think some countries have their this kind of museum here. We just came out from India, and this one is Central Asia. Central Asia. We're not going in for this. Okay, then we arrived at the Egypt. This is Egypt. And I also wanted to know that we have fans in Egypt also. Your YouTube channel have fans in Egypt also. This is the story of life, death, and resurrection, Egypt. Let's see. Yes, this is the Egypt.
When they die, when they die, they go sit here.
Is it,
Oh, then the chest. Then the chest,
is this, you remember the Bible story?
No.
You remember Moses in the Bible when he was in Egypt? You watched the video, you watched the Bible story, God's story.
This one is broken, the piece.
This was carved. This was people's that did art. They carved this is what they carved. And you can see the animal at the body. It's a vase with painted animals.
Daddy, I can see the Egypt.
Can you see what? Egypt. This place is all the culture or things about Egypt. That's what you are seeing here.
This cat is so cute.
All these things you're seeing is what somebody made. People made it. This is ram-headed lotus. Ram-headed. This one is cat. This one is cat. Snake coffee. All these things were made. Somebody made them. Use carving. Carve them or mold them. So what they are showing is what people did olden days. This is long time ago. What people did long time ago. Some of these people here, some of them they are students. You see some of them they are students. They came here maybe for their homework or whatever it is. You see they are taking note of what they are seeing. You see them? You know what? Let's go there. I'm coming. So this one is a woman with long wig. Yeah, Egypt art in the age of the pyramids.
What is it?
The Egyptian Museum in Cairo.
Egypt.
These are books that
Look at the burger.
what is this? What
Write
is
your
it?
name like ancient Egyptian king.
Write your name like ancient Egyptian king. So what does it mean? What is Zimbabwe here?
No, that's correct. It does not. Don't worry. It's going to show you the east letter. Showing the east letter.
for more videos.